Everybody is working towards earning a living. Alright, I don't want them to see me recording. Quite an activity out there. So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Linetwaite. In case you're new here, hi and welcome to the family. In case you've not subscribed, kindly do so, and don't forget to hit the post notification bell. That way you are notified whenever I upload a video. So I'm sure you've all seen or you've come across my intro video and probably you have ignored it. So just for the record, let me just say that I have decided to do more than makeup in my channel. I'll be doing lots and lots of videos concerning everything that is around me. So in today's video, we're gonna be doing a cleanup video. We're gonna be cleaning my room, as y'all can see. Okay guys, so as I was saying, I'm not used to speaking like slowly. I literally feel like I'm lagging right now. I even don't know if I'm speaking fast. Okay, I think I'm speaking fast. Because those of you who have watched my videos, like when I do a talk through, you literally tell me I'm rapping. Oh my gosh, I got potential there and I'll be on this. Anyway guys, I'm in my room. We're gonna be doing a cleanup video, and currently you can actually see the bed, you can see the wardrobe, you can see the ring light over there, and you can actually see me because I'm in the room as well. So we're gonna be doing a cleanup video. We're gonna make the bed, we're gonna, what is it called, we're gonna mop the floor, we're gonna do basically everything that is to be done when you clean up your room. So in case you haven't cleaned up your room, I hope this video will actually inspire you. So without much further ado, let us get straight into this video. Wow, what a pathetic way to start a video. So I did forget to mention something, and what I was supposed to tell you guys is that in case you notice what is it called, a difference in the video, like probably after I start the video, because I'm gonna start it right about now. I'm gonna switch up the cameras. So in case you notice a twitch of difference in the lighting, in the resolution, just bear with me. I can't use a selfie camera like to record a vlog kind of a video. So alright, so this is what we're working with. We have beds that are not made. Okay, I don't know if I said that right, but we have beds that don't have bedding, as you can see. We just stripped off our beddings, off our mattresses, because we normally do it on the weekends, over the weekends, because that's when we do that. I'm not even making sense. So we did it a little bit early because over the weekend we'll not be around, we'll have traveled. So as you can see, even the curtains are not well opened. We have the shears over here, which everything just looks not good. I wanted to say bad. Okay, everything looks not good. Okay, so we're gonna start off real quick, and allow me to wear some shoes. I don't want to step on like water if I spill some as I clean the floor. Like, we're gonna start off by making the beds because I really like I find it therapeutic to like make beds and like see them all straightened up and looking just good. I'm gonna start off by like making the nets. So this is how I tie the nets, the knot on the nets. So on to making the beds, and we're gonna start off by like folding our blankets or our duvet, whatever you call them. So let's fold them. So next up, we're gonna put the mattress cover on the mattress, and I'm gonna explain why I prefer using a mattress cover rather than spreading your sheets on the mattress just like that. So the thing is, I discovered that once you spread your sheets on the mattress without the mattress cover, when you sleep, okay, I muted the video, as you can see I was trying to explain. As you sleep, the sheets tend to get stripped off the bed, and I don't like that. So you find that if you're a person who like normally turns, like really turns, like by the time morning comes you've turned like 20 times, your mattress, your beddings come right off the mattress. So when you use a mattress cover, or a base before you put your sheets, it prevents that, like, absolutely. You just wake up when your bed is straight. I don't know if I should insert a clip of how we woke up this morning, because I'm actually recording the voiceover the next day, because I have literally not even as in, oh my gosh, I have not even made the beds. Like, they are just straight, like, I mean literally straight, and I've not done anything. You just wake up the next day, the bed is still okay. You just need to fold your blankets and probably straighten up your pillow, only that. Good morning, guys. So you want to see the benefits of the mattress cover? I did say that I will insert a clip. Now, this is my brother's bed. This kid turns a lot, like at night, kabla asubuhi fike, oh my god, he will have turned like I don't know how many times. So I just want to show you, like, okay, this is the net. Of course, I've not made the bed, like I was telling you. I've not made the bed. Just look at that. The benefits of using a mattress cover, like, you gotta get yourself a mattress cover. Look at that. I'm sure you like it. Look at that. There is one bed down, 2 to go. So let's do this. As you can see, you can actually rate. I know I'm the master. Anyway, so let's move on to the next 2 beds, and then we mop the floor, then we'll be good to go. So let's do this. Let's do this. On to bed number 2, but I hope that the previous suggestion really helped you and you're gonna try it out, and then I'll be expecting feedback from you. So as you can see, the second bed still has a mattress cover, only that this one is not the same as that one, but it still serves the same purpose. So you're gonna start off by, like, actually clearing everything that is on the bed. I'm sure you can see this. I don't know if I should do a talk through when I'm vlogging, oh my god, or I should do a voiceover. Anyway, I'm just gonna work it out the way I want. And then I'm gonna go in and spread the sheets onto the mattress. Tell me this is not therapeutic. I mean, just look at how that bed is coming through. Look at it. Bro, you literally feel like you wanna sleep. Not to mention the green on the bed sheets. Wow. Next up, putting the pillow in the pillowcase. 2 beds down, 1 to go. On to bed number 3, and as you can see, you already know the drill. We still have the mattress cover. Like, this thing serves a great deal. Like, my god, just try it. If you don't have, or rather, if you don't have, okay, I don't know if this will work out, but maybe 2 sheets. Okay, I don't know. Let me just not give prescriptions, or rather advices, but I don't know if they will work out. Okay, so next up, spreading up the sheets. My god, this thing is wow. I just like doing it. Look at that. You guys, just look at that. Oh my god. Ooh la la. I was literally feeling like sleeping. Like, look at that bed. All the beds are done. Now we have to organize this little corner where we, like, put our duvets when they are washed, after, like, they have been washed. So I'm just gonna fold them and place them over here. so when that is done, we're gonna move on to cleaning the room, and I'm not gonna be using a mop because it actually broke, like the stick broke. I do prefer using a mop to clean under the beds, so that's a tip if you didn't know that, and I trust you all know. So oh my gosh, anyway, so because the mop broke, I'm gonna have to push the beds manually, and actually it's gonna be strenuous, but we have to do what's right. We have to clean the under the beds. So let's do this. Okay guys, so it's currently 3:38 p.m. I've not finished cleaning the room right now. I wanted to lie, but the what in me, what is it called, the conscience in me has screamed out loudly. Hey man, me will left a man. Anyway, so like I was saying, I have finished cleaning the room, but not now. So I'm gonna be showing you the preview of the entire room, and then you're gonna rate it, okay? And then I think that would be it from me today, guys. I'm literally enjoying vlogging. Expect more, by the way, expect more. So let me show you the preview, and then we wrap up the video. So that would be it from me today, guys. Let me see you on my next video. Till next time.